this is just a weird situation. So did you not, guys? We haven't seen the sun probably in like 2 weeks?
Yeah,
accurate.
I think like at least 10 days, at least.
Things have been bleak around here. All right, we're about to go acquire some good, fun things. Maybe I should take a picture first.
Of what?
Myself. RIP to this Valley Village, man. That's all I gotta say. I actually don't know if it's like when it will close. I feel like it's still gonna be open because they're taking donations. It's like pretty warm out today.
Okay.
As I put on my spring outfit because winter has been canceled because it just sucks and nothing good is coming of winter. So we're gonna fast forward to spring 2021. Hope for the best. Yes. Whose jacket is that?
Yours.
What shirt is that?
It's the one I got from Ebony Vintage. Isn't it cute?
Oh, I haven't seen it. So cute. It glistens.
A little clashing metallic.
We got a call in. Hi, I'm here to do curbside pickup. Here we have the sandwicho. Smells good. Looks good-ish. Smaller slices next time. I think it's the key. During Thriftmas, I reviewed some Depop style bundles because I've never gotten one before and they just seemed really fun. So I did it. I tried to get like a mid-range one in price point and then a high price point. And then I found this one for $25, which seemed like a freaking steal. So I wanted to compare them all. This one sadly did not arrive until yesterday. First off the bat, it took a really long time. I opened it up, but wanted to save my general reaction for you guys. I don't want to bash the seller because I understand that it is a really cheap bundle, but at the same time, I do just want to say if you're like selling stuff on Depop and you're selling a service, a product, you do want to be kind of professional in a business sense because $25, although it's not a lot for me, it does add up, and to someone that could be like their whole entire Christmas present that they spent on this. And this is just a weird situation. So you guys are gonna experience this with me. First of all, this is what it looked like. Okay. We have a piece of paper. There's nothing on it. And there's a bunch of these.
What did it say?
I think they're telling me what things are. This wasn't like a styled bundle. It wasn't a like outfit. The seller was offering 3 tops of a certain style. So I believe this was like the 90s one. Armpits are really stained. These just suck in general, and I don't know why. It looks like she literally took a handful of these and was just like, add a little bit of spice. I feel bad, but you guys should just know. Whenever I look for white things in the thrift store, the first thing I do is check the armpits because so many white items get stained by deodorant and stuff like that, or perfume. Would have appreciated to get a white top that wasn't trash, because honestly, you can't really do anything about that once the item's been washed, so I'm quite donating that one. I mean, this is cute-ish. Definitely not my style.
It's cute though.
It's big. Like I told her I was a small, extra small in tops, and this looks like it's just gonna be a little too wide on me because it is a medium.
Kind of sweet,
medium.
Though.
It's cute. I could see how this would like make for an outfit. So it's interesting. I would prefer this if it was like my size though. Yeah. You know, because this type of top, it's like a thicker material. And because it has the pattern down the front, like you can't really tuck it in or anything because it just ends up looking bunchy. And it does a quarter zip. This looks like it's from Brandy Melville, from like when I worked there. St. John's Bay. Canadian. It's not my current style, that's for sure. As I said, it reminds me a lot of like when I used to work at Brandy Melville and they had a ton of like stripy sweaters and stuff like that. It's probably the best, most promising item out of the bundle. It looks clean, it's not pilling. I don't see any visible holes. Checking the seams down here. It's interesting. I mean, I could wear this with like some mom jeans. It's just not really my style anymore, but maybe with layering, I might just keep this one around. But I think these two are sadly gonna go to a donation bin near me. I definitely advise saving up your money and buying from a really reputable seller that does take the time and effort to like style you personally. I think it's way more worth the payoff. You get it faster, you get great communication, you know, more products probably at the end of the day that you're gonna love and wear. As I told you guys, I would let you know when it comes in, and I think it's important to like talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly of Depop, because I feel scammed right now, but we'll move on. Guys, I've finally taken a big financial risk and hired an in-house chef just like all the other influencers. Woo! Welcome to the house. This is what she cooked me today. Really good diet.
Here you go, Daniel. This one looks nice. Look, this one actually looks good. Oh,
we love her.
Don't lose it.
9.9 out of 10.
Where did I lose the 0.1?
I don't think perfect is ever really attainable, ever.
No tomatoes.
No tomatoes.
I prefer it without tomatoes, to be honest.
Really?
I think we just needed to like slice them up a little thinner. Like when you think about it, at fast food places, they're always so thin.
Yeah.
It's just almost impossible though to cut them like that. I don't know how
Holy
you
crap.
achieve this level of
The
greatness.
sauce is really good.
If anyone sees this earring, I remember I took it out down here the other night.
What?
This earring. I remember I took it out down here the other night, but I don't remember where I put it when I took it out. I've decided that to make these vlogs a little bit more interesting and more structured, I'm going to share with you guys my outfits that I wear throughout like the week or a few days, whatever it might be, at the end of the vlog, in like a little montage where I talk about all my details and stuff, because I always forget to show you in the moment. So I feel like if there's less pressure to be like, okay, I'm wearing this, this, and that, then maybe it'll just be more exciting. So if you guys want to see the full outfit, I will post it at the end of the vlog, but also probably on my Instagram. So you don't need to go over there and follow me, but I've been trying. My goal is to really like post cool, inspirational outfit photos on there, because that's what I like to see on Instagram. So hopefully I can get on that. And it's sunny out today, so we're gonna go out again. Maybe I'll take a picture. It's not really the goal. I just have to do some more like curbside pickup, stay in the life of a Toronto person living through this weird lockdown. We're gonna go do that. Oh, my ThredUp box came, which is so exciting. You guys can see a sneak preview. Obviously my two favorite items on top here. Those will be in a full haul where I haul all my 2021 trends that I had to thrift online. Guys, I haven't been to the fabric store in so long because I thought they were closed this whole time, but they're open. So we're gonna sew some things. You can do a fleecy
But we're gonna
inside.
need to put something on the other
I still have that blue fleecy.
This is cool too because it's
Yeah, it's
like
very
I think it's like it's not fresh fabric.
I didn't realize it was so early. I honestly don't know when the last time I was up before 10:30 a.m. was, which is kind of a sad thought, but for whatever reason today the sun was like shining into our bedroom, and any chance that I get to see the sun is a good one. So I was like awake by coincidence, and I thought to myself, you know what, I could go back to bed, or I could wake up and try and enjoy the day and enjoy the sun. And for whatever reason, I really enjoy being more productive on weekends. I guess it's just because I'm not really getting like any incoming emails or calls or anything like that, or even packages and deliveries, like those little distractions throughout the day. And it just allows me to be so much more focused on the things that I actually want to get done. Felt like chatting to you guys this morning because it's sunny out, the vibes are somewhat positive, and I just want to catch you guys up while I have you here in a vlog and say thank you for watching the vlogs. I know they're not like my full thrifting videos, but hopefully those will come back at some point this year. It's just been obviously tough. This whole year has been weird, and Toronto is still very much in a lockdown, and I know that that means like a million different things all over the world right now, but for us, everything except for essential stores, that's your drugstores, dollar stores, grocery stores, have been closed, like completely closed, curbside pickup, since November 23rd. So we're going on 2 months here. My sister and I were talking the other day about how there's like so much I regret not doing in the summer. I mean, I tried to get outside a lot, but I was definitely on the overcautious end, which I don't regret, but I didn't see friends enough. I didn't ever go out to a restaurant, sit on a patio, do any of that. Just kind of looking back on it now, being so isolated, I'm like, could have been nice, would have been nice, would have been nice. But something I cannot wait to do when things open up again is get my hair done, you guys, and get my nails done. Oh man, it's obviously a first world problem. I'm glad I'm staying home and doing my part, but being on camera and stuff and just having to look at yourself and you don't feel the most confident is a toughie. So I'm here to say to you guys, like, if you're feeling the same way, you've been cautious all year, or you know things are closed where you are and you feel not your best self, don't worry, we're all living through this together. It's been tough, but I want to try and really focus on like the good this year and looking up, looking forward to things, and just kind of sharing those moments with you guys, but also being real and connecting with you. Like, I feel like trash right now. Look at this eyebrow. Like, this is moment there, that eyebrow hasn't seen wax since March 2020, so it's not looking, definitely not looking the cutest, but what are we gonna do about that? I think I just want to have this chat because obviously with like the new year comes a lot of like expectations, and people put a lot of pressure on themselves generally to like meet those resolutions and like work on themselves. Of course, I think that's like a great thing to try and want to improve and set goals and whatnot. I think with social media, we all know things can get a little toxic and people can make it seem like everything is fine and dandy, but I wanted to remind you all that you're doing great no matter what it is that you're doing, and just because it's January doesn't mean you need to have like this drastic life reset or like something drastic happen in your life. And that's kind of how I've been feeling, like just a little stuck, but literally we all pretty much are. I apologize for my morning voice. I think I'm honestly gonna go make another pot of coffee. This is just a Keurig. It's the Muskoka brewery brew. It's fabulous. I don't know if you guys can get it in the States because obviously Muskoka Canadian, I don't really know, but I make a really good latte with it, so maybe I'll share that with you guys later because it seems like it's gonna be a multiple coffee kind of day today. Forgot to tell you guys, I'm a Bachelor girl now. Rachel convinced me to get into it, / we started watching The Bachelorette, the end of it, when we were in Florida in March, and I was like, hey, this isn't too bad. I stumbled across Kit's YouTube channel, and I don't know, guys, let me know what your thoughts are down below. This is like a whole new thing for me, so I'm like a Love Island girl. I feel less bad because like there's more options for people, and I think that this is gonna be really tough. Like, I don't know how they all go on this show falling in love with the same guy and seeing him like be with other girls and just say things to other girls. Like, how does this play out? I really want to know, but yeah. Share with you guys my secret coffee recipe. I swear this is like better than Starbucks. It is better than Starbucks. Take whatever coffee you want. Usually I like to do it with like Nespresso or a Keurig pod. I use the 100% compostable ones, by the way, but a little bit of Chamberlain coffee left, so we're gonna use this. These are the two main ingredients. I like using oat milk because I find it gives it a creamier taste and it just froths better. This is specifically the barista kind, so you want to get that. It's gonna froth up really nice. And then to add some sweetness, for the Silk almond milk creamer, and I use literally like the tiniest splash of this ever. Ooh, moody. Okay, so I will be cleaning up my office very soon, as well as our bedroom. We're doing a whole bedroom makeover. Finally, we kind of like didn't get too comfortable in our bedroom just because we didn't think we were gonna be here for that long. And now we're like, okay, we're here, and we've literally lived in this bedroom for like a year straight, so we should do something with it. So first thing that I got that I'm only going to share with you guys now because I picked it up the other day is this wall tapestry, and I want to open it up because I really don't know how it's going to look. It's like not my typical vibe. So just a little side note, if you live in Toronto and you're looking for home decor stuff, the West Elm Young and Eglinton Instagram account has the best sales. Like this was $25. I think it was regularly 200 and something, and I got a great rug for our room for $50, I think. That was regularly like 300. All this stuff, I think they're just really trying to clear out the old in with the new, and you just curbside pick it up. There's like a pickup station in the back, so it's super easy. This is huge. I literally thought this was gonna be like a little tiny tapestry. I feel like medieval times where they'd like roll out a flag. Woo! All right, this is it. Can't complain for $25. Cannot complain. Then from the fabric store, I got this material, which I'm gonna make a really groovy pillow out of. I couldn't find any cool groovy pillowcases online, so I saw this at the fabric store. It's around $7. I'm gonna have leftovers to make a top, and then I got this. Oh, it's the Little Miss Giggles for me. Little Miss Naughty, Little Miss Chatterbox. I don't know what to do with this. I might like cut these out and put them on shirts. Should I do that? Let me know. It was just too cute to pass up. Very nostalgic for me. The camera's gonna die, but what I just grabbed from Indigo, because they had all their planners on sale and I don't have a planner yet. Oh, and by the way, about the plastic bags, all this stuff is just like in plastic bags. They don't give it to you in any other way, unfortunately, just with how things right now, right here, it's pretty weird, but I have no option but to take the plastic bag unless I put up like a huge fuss, and I'm not one to do that, so I'm gonna reuse them, don't you worry. But this is my 2021 planner. It's so beautiful. I'm not like big into rocks or stones, but it just had kind of like a psychedelic vibe to it, so I might actually put a sticker there so it looks less rocky. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just not my personal vibe. It's not a huge planner. It's just something to get me started. I think this was only $9, so pretty good deal. And then this, I'm pretty excited for these. Indigo has like everything on their site these days, like literally everything. If you know, you know. Oh, they're all different colors. I thought for some reason it was all pink. So these are tiny. Wait, I'm confused. These are those little crates that have been all over Pinterest and Instagram. How do these work? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're the cutest thing ever. Okay, so they're a lot smaller than I thought, but honestly, smaller is kind of better because this room isn't that big. I didn't plan on putting like a ton of stuff in them anyways. I'm thinking like makeup goes in one of them, and then I'm redesigning my office. So putting this on top of my little background shelf would be perfect just to keep like some random clean little things in. Okay, so I thought I was getting all pink, but I guess whatever, it's totally fine. I got a pink one, an army green one, and a gray one, which is actually nice because I was starting to get sick thinking of all pink ones. I don't know, I've seen too much of it on Pinterest, so I like that I've got 3 little crates here. They're so cute. So check out Indigo. I think those were like $16-ish, so pretty affordable. But I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because the new week is starting and I'm going to start vlogging and getting back to like my regular videos. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Let me know if I should do more weekly vlogs. Let me know what you guys want to see this year. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. No. Pretty Caroline. Oh, 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 oh,